In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a vertical line in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. The first method I'm going to show you is using shapes. Go to Insert, then click Shapes. From here, we need to look for the line, which is this one here. Select it once. Then we're going to draw it from top to bottom. Hold down left click and draw it down. Now, many of you want a straight line, so when you're drawing it, you're going to hold down the Shift, and this will ensure that it is a completely straight line. Once you're happy, let go of both, and now you've got a vertical straight line in your Word document. From here, we can actually make some cosmetic changes. So select your vertical line and then go to Shape Format at the top of the ribbon. Here we can change the color, shape outline, the weight, so how thick that line is, whether or not you want a different type of line that's with dashes, or we can even add some arrowheads to the end of the lines. For the second method, we're going to use page borders. Click Design at the top of the ribbon, then click Borders. Then we're going to click on Borders here. We're going to select the color of your border, the width, I'm going to use 3 points. And then here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select onto this, which is on the left-hand side. So it means your border will come down the left. If you want it on the right, just select the right one, and then you're going to click here. I'm going to apply it to paragraph, which is fine, and you're going to click OK. So now we've got a vertical border that comes down that first paragraph. If you want it to be all of them, select them all, click Borders, and then we're going to go to Borders again and click on that, and then click OK. Now it covers all those borders with one vertical line. The great thing is, as I continue to type, the border will extend. Another method is to use columns. So at the moment, I've got one column. I'm going to now change it to two. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all, then click Layout, then Columns, and then more columns. Then I'm going to select two. You can do it for three, and left and right, it's your choice. And I'm going to select Line Between. Here, there's a vertical line that sits between each column. Then I'm going to click OK. Now, as you can see, there's a vertical line that separates these two pieces of text. For the last method, I'm going to use a table. I'm first going to just cut this piece of text. I'm going to use it in a minute. Press Ctrl X. Then go to Insert, Table, and I'm going to go one by one. From here, select that dial and click on Table Design. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to Borders and click No Borders. Then go back and select Left Border. Or you can do Insert Vertical Border. It's your choice. Then go back into your table, press Ctrl V, and now you have that vertical line with your text next to it. If one of these methods has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn other formatting tools for Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.